皆さん、こんにちは。みーさチャンネル、資格ハンター編です。最新の英語ニュースを読み上げますので、英語の試験勉強やスキルアップにご活用ください。
Pandemic exacerbates global fight against AIDS. By VOA News. December 1st, 2020, 6:26 a.m. A mobile clinic for the Reproductive Health and HIV Institute, RHI, in the Soshanguve Township, north of Pretoria, South Africa, November 26, 2020. Tuesday is World AIDS Day, with organizations around the world highlighting the need to support those living with and affected by HIV, the virus that causes the disease, while also remembering those who have died. This year's event comes amid the global coronavirus pandemic, which UNAIDS says has made it more difficult for those living with HIV to access healthcare and other services, while also highlighting issues such as inequality and stigma. The agency is calling on governments to boost investment and action on HIV and other pandemics. It says if there were better health and social safety nets in place, the world would have been better able to slow the spread of the coronavirus. Laboratory technicians test a blood sample for HIV infection at the Reproductive Health and HIV Institute, RHI, in Johannesburg, November 26, 2020. The United Nations said models show there could be an additional 123,000 to 293,000 new HIV infections, and between 69,000 and 148,000 AIDS-related deaths by 2022. Because of the coronavirus pandemic's effects on HIV responses. The collective failure to invest sufficiently in comprehensive, rights-based, people-centered HIV responses has come at a terrible price, UNAIDS Executive Director Winnie Byanyama said in a statement. Implementing just the most politically palatable programs will not turn the tide against COVID-19 or end AIDS. To get the global response back on track will require putting people first and tackling the inequalities on which epidemics thrive. The joint challenges of HIV/AIDS and the coronavirus are also the focus of a live-streamed event Tuesday by the National AIDS Memorial in the United States. It includes discussions with Dr. Anthony Fauci and Dr. David Ho, who each have experience working on both pandemics, as well as with activists and the mayors of Atlanta, Chicago, and New York. There are about 38 million people living with HIV, with 26 million accessing antiretroviral therapy. In 2019, 690,000 died of AIDS-related illnesses.
以上で、今回のみーさチャンネルは終了です。最後までご視聴いただきまして、ありがとうございました。よろしければ、高評価とチャンネル登録をよろしくお願いします。